In today's time, everyone needs a great outdoor Bluetooth speaker, whether having an outdoor party or living a RV life or a van life. But these outdoor speakers like JBL Extreme 3 or Marshall Kilburn 2, they cost very high. What if we tell you that there is a speaker which is extremely loud, have a great bass, fully waterproof, and the plus point is they will cost you much less than these two products. Hey guys, welcome back to the best place for the latest tech reviews and concept renders. This is Enoylity Technology, and in today's video, we are presenting the Soundcore MotionBoom Plus and the MotionBoom by Anker. These two are the Bluetooth speakers coming with some great sound quality, but before talking more about them, let's start with the unboxing part. They both come with some paperwork, the speakers, and a Type-C charging cable. The only add-on in the MotionBoom Plus is the shoulder strap, so you can carry it with ease. In the front side, we have a metal mesh grille which covers the driver. They both have some similar features, and obviously the MotionBoom Plus is having a plus feature. The MotionBoom Plus is equipped with two 30 watts titanium woofers and two 10 watts pure silk tweeters, giving you 80 watts of sound output. In a single full charge, the speaker will give you a 20 hours of playback time, which I think is enough if you are going on a single day picnic and wants to listen music the whole time. You don't have to worry if the water fell on the speaker or the speaker fell into the water. It is totally protected with IP67 dust and waterproof rating. One cool feature, it has a function that can extend the trebles up to 40 kHz to get that super loud sound. Here you can also get multiple ways to connect it via Bluetooth, and also you can connect the non-Bluetooth devices such as TVs and computers using the aux input. With the Anker Power IQ 2.0 technology, MotionBoom Plus can also power other devices while you are on an adventure. Use the Partycast 2.0 feature to connect two unlimited Soundcore Partycast speakers for synchronized music and large stereo sound. You can customize and tune the equalizer based on your moods from the Soundcore application. Even you get a complete control over the speaker via your smartphone. The speaker also has a bass up technology which will eventually boost up the bass and will give you that great sound. With the help of shoulder strap and convenient handle, it becomes very easy to carry the speaker around. Now let's talk about the MotionBoom. The speaker consists of dual titanium driver and dual passive driver. It also has an extended treble and bass up technology for real-time intensification of bass. The speaker can give you a runtime of total 24 hours with its massive 10,000 mAh of battery. You don't have to worry about the water on it as it comes with the IPX7 waterproof and will even float up to the surface if it's dropped in the water. With the Anker's Power IQ technology, charge your device while listening to the music. Use the Soundcore application to switch between different EQ modes. The Soundcore signature is perfect for everyday listening use. The MotionBoom speaker uses the latest Bluetooth 5.0 version for the ultra-stable connection with your devices. We did a sound test on both of them in an open space. Both of them were 6 meters apart from us. As you can see on the screen, the MotionBoom Plus is a little bit loud from the MotionBoom, but the MotionBoom is also quite audible to us. So this was pretty much everything about the Soundcore MotionBoom Plus and the MotionBoom. I hope you like this video. If so, do hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and also do let us know in the comments down below which is the best feature you like about this the most. This is Enoylity Technology, and we will catch you guys in the next one. Till then, peace out.